single cab. Alright everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to work on our 1956 single cab. So what we want to do is make it look a little more presentable, a little more interesting. So what we want to do, we want to make the headlights turn on, turn signals turn on. We want to kind of have it lit up, with the front of the shop and everything at night, kind of look a little cool. We want to change the glass out. We got some new glass, new seals for it, and add some glass, clean the interior up. We just kind of want to make it, look a little nicer. So let's get cleaning. Got Jake working away, running the power wire from the shop.
Running some NMWU.
Perks of having an electrician in your life. Not many, but here's one.
Yeah, there you go.
Rest in peace.
Be stoked.
Adriana's gonna like that. Jake's girlfriend's big fan of these. What would you call them?
Dead things?
Dead things? She's a big
things.
fan of dead things, so let's go give that to her. Yeah. Got something for you to take care of, Adriana.
Oh.
That's the extent of her excitement.
Me right now.
Okay, little update. So I got all the wire ran, the NMW all through here, spliced it in with the old pot light with all our outside soffits, and I've ran it all the way down, gone through, come underneath, and comes into the bus. So I'm gonna try, I don't think this is gonna be big enough of a wattage driver, but this at least converts from AC to DC. So then I'll see if that will work. And yeah, I think I have a different transformer here that's bigger than 6 watts, because I don't think that'll actually have enough power to actually get these headlights going. So we'll see. We'll try the 6 watt, and then I'm gonna go into my stash and see if we have a bigger transformer. Okay, so in my stash, I did find a 24 watt driver, which I'm hoping will be a bit better. I don't think 6 watts was gonna turn these on, but we also, our goal is not to have these lights too bright. We want these lights to kind of be very dim, because we do have a tenant that lives with us here, and this will be shining right into his living room. So we want these on a fair bit of the time, but we also don't want it to be, blinding the tenant. So our goal is to make these not super bright. So I'm gonna now just basically install this transformer, hook this up to our 120 volt AC that we have ran, and then this will convert it to 24 watts 12 volt DC, which all cars run on DC. So hopefully 24 watts will be enough for these bulbs just to kind of slightly turn on. So we've basically just hooked up. We have our ground, our high beam, and our low beam. I ran the wires, I've labeled them all on the inside. So I'm gonna slide those through, mount this onto the headlight bucket, of course. I'll run these wires all the way through, bring these in, and I'll hook those up to the end of the transformer here onto those wires. Okay, hopefully just looking for your screws to mount these, to mount the headlight buckets in. But kind of the vibe that we're going for. Hopefully when those outside soffit lights turn on up there, I'll come down, give power to that transformer, and then these headlights will turn on. So let's see how Tay's doing with these screws. Any luck?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got a couple little guys. Notch her up. Excuse our mess.
Because we're always working in here. It's gotta be messy. We're still like halfway through the exhaust build, you know? Stuff's just everywhere.
Stuff is everywhere.
My bench looks a little bit better than Taylor's
I
bench.
can only use my bench.
Yeah, that's how it usually goes. He's just got more room. He's got the vise. I don't have a vise. I got a fridge. That's about it.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's send her home.
Nice.
Reds are a little bit crusty.
Yeah, it's been sitting in a bush for 20 years.
Perfect. All right, test time. Here we go. Yep.
Nothing. They all turn off.
They don't seem to work.
It might not be enough wattage.
Just a quick tester.
Okay, let's get that out of the way. Nothing?
Nope, nothing. Oh, never mind.
Hey.
Dimmer than anything. But we got one on so far.
Honestly, that's not bad. Probably at night. Like, it's honestly, I don't like that's. It shines a decent amount.
Well, that's the thing. Like, we don't want it super bright.
No,
we
I
just
think-
want it to glow.
I think honestly that might be a winner. We want
Well-
it just to light up a little bit, and I bet at night, like, you can see that bulb from here.
Yep.
You put it, yeah. No, I think that's it.
So we could try that one. Get them both going.
So we basically have to run 2 transformers though,
I guess so.
because I don't think this is enough wattage. 24. It shows on the package that they need 35 watts, but we want to try a little bit lower wattage.
Yeah.
So it wasn't so bright. But I don't think when you have 2 35-watt bulbs on a 20-watt transformer, they don't want to turn on. So I guess we're gonna run a second transformer now and wire up that headlight. So each headlight will have its own transformer. So.
Perfect. Let's do it. All right. So Jake's finishing up wiring up the lights. Going good in there, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost a second transformer done.
Perfect. I'm going to start cutting the seals and taking out the glass to start replacing it with some new ones. So let's get cutting.
Ready?
Kind of. Yep. Perfect.
Shattered more than I thought it would.
Yay. One out.
Okay, take 4. Here we go.
See if they both work this time. They're both on, buddy.
Yes.
They're both on.
Yes. Taylor says electricians are stupid, but we're actually smart.
Only took 4 takes to get them to work. But they're on. They're on, buddy.
Nice. Stoked.
All right.
We are gonna finish up this last window, get this out, put the new glass in and seals in, and then after that, we'll wait till dark and we'll come back out here and show you guys these at nighttime.
One out. Let's get the next one out. That was cleaner, eh?
Not as cool looking though. All right, time to put windows in.
We got our new glass. We got our new seals. Let's throw them together. Get them in the bus. Sometimes these seals can be quite stiff. They don't want to slide too nice, so just use a little bit of soap and water, simple soap and water. Throw it on the window and slide them together. All right, so that's one seal. One seal in. All right. Now to prep the glass for actually installing on the single cab. So what we like to use is weed whacker line. So we find it's a little stronger when you're trying to pull the seal actually over the lip of your vehicle. First, we just gotta feed it through the inner lip of the seal. Get it ready to go. Now let's go bring it to the car. Let's install the window. Again, soap and water is your friend to get this seal to slip through. So don't be scared. You know, we know this is a show car, so usually you don't want to use so much water, but so fill her up. And make sure you got a friend to go on the inside to pull these cables. So that will be Jake.
All right, sometimes you gotta use rags because your hands will get really mangled with holding on to this, so use that sometimes when it gets tough, but new glass is in. Windows are in, headlights are installed, transformers all hidden down below there and tucked away. So I'll get the camera back out when, you know, it's nighttime, and then we'll see actually how well those lights are illuminated at night, and hopefully they're actually decent, so we'll see. Nighttime now, so let's go check out what the single cab looks like at night. So you probably aren't going to be able to see me very well because it's dark and GoPros suck at low light capability, but here you go. All right, Tay, turn her on, buddy. Ooh, damn, actually looks super sick. Love it. Well, there you go. Well, we're gonna try and get the bullets working, the turn signals, but we don't have all the pieces we need yet. So, but yeah, there you go. That's it for this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment what you think, and we'll keep putting out more content. So thanks, guys.